Hello folks, welcome to version 2.15.
Great. Now what? Here we go. Damien McGuire's GitHub. Click on ZombieVerter VCU. On the right hand side, releases. 2.15a, that's the latest. Click on that. Not gonna read this. Won't let the release notes get in the way of my hackery. Gotta grab the bin file. Alright, we grabbed the bin file. Now what? With the bin file downloaded, we proceed on with the second part of the upgrade. I like to create a shortcut for the ZombieVerter menu. This automatically takes me to the right IP, 192.168.4.1. Before doing an upgrade, what I like to do is save my parameters. So I'll click on parameters. I'll take a mental note of what some of the top settings are here. So my inverter is set to a Prius, vehicle to classic, and transmission to auto. Now I will click on download parameters to file, which essentially says backup or save your settings. Simply save it, and now we are ready to do the update. So we click on update, and the first thing we need to do is choose the bin file that we just downloaded. stm32_vcu.bin sounds good to me. Open, and then we click on upload. This will be an opportune time to post a Chuck Norris joke in the comments. And update is done. One way to check if it was successful is to click on spot values. And under spot values, we see the new version 2.15. Let's take a look at parameters. After upgrading to version 2.15, we notice that our inverter has changed. It's no longer what I had on before. It used to be Prius. So this is one of the heads up I want to give you, is that we will be asked to reselect your inverter type, go up to commands, and save parameters to flash. Now we are done with the upgrade. For those of us with a Prius drivetrain, it's always wise to restart your VCU after an upgrade. So don't forget to do that.